Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Salesforce Excellence. In the previous session you have seen what are the different relationships available in Salesforce. What is a relationship? Like an association between the objects. And also you have seen that there are different types of relationships like lookup, master detail, junction object, like many-to-many relationships. In today's session we are going to see, because in the previous session as I told you it was completely related to theoretical part, and today we are going to see one example and to properly understand it. Okay, let us start. As you have seen, relationship means two or more objects are connected with each other in the data model. It defines how records in one object are associated with records in another object. As per the data modeling, already I told you, I'm again repeating because it is very much important for you to understand. As per the data modeling, you should not store all the data in a single object or in a single table. If you do that, in future, there will be a problem of efficiency, retrieving the data, data duplication, consistency, so many other issues will come. And as per the database modeling property called as ACID properties, atomicity, consistency, isolation, durability. These are the different properties defined by the database engineers, which we have to follow while designing any data model. Okay. And coming to the representation, you can see the relationship between the account and contact, account and opportunity. Okay. So here in today's session, we have two custom objects, and we'll try to create one relationship between the object and see how it will work. Okay. So before that, try to understand what is a lookup relationship. It is an association between two objects where one object is called as child, and the child object contains a field that holds a reference or a lookup to a record in another object. Okay. So parent and child objects are there, and the relationship field or the connecting or the lookup field will be available in the child object. So remember this one. Okay. And it is unidirectional. The relationship will be from child to parent, and it is one to many relationship. It means one child, one parent, and multiple child records can be associated with a single parent record. And lookup relationships are optional, which means, as I told you, in the child record there will be a lookup field to associate a child record to a parent record, but it is not mandatory. Okay, it can be null, which is not the case if you see the master detail relationship, which we are going to see in the next session. There must be a relationship between the child and parent record. Your lookup field should not be null in the case of MDR, master detail. Okay, and now let us move to our Salesforce platform. You can see here, as I told you, schema builder we can use to see the ER diagram or graphical representation of different objects and to see the relationship between them. Now you can see I have two objects. You can take a screenshot to create on your own to practice this lookup relationship. So I'm having two objects. One is employee, another one is department. And you can see here no association is available in between these two objects. Now we are going to create an association between two objects. Now in these two objects, no one is child, no one is parent. They are individual objects, right? Once we create the relationship, as I told you, one object will be called as child object and another will be called as parent object. And where we have to create the lookup or the relationship? Yes, we have to create in the child object. Clear? So let us move to the child object. Okay, so this is a child object employee, one employee, one department, 100 employees, one department. Yes or no? One to many relationships. Now to go to this one, I'll just tell you. So once you come to this employees tab, you click on the setup, and then if you click on edit object, you will move to that object manager. Okay. Now here I will create the lookup relationship field. So here you have to click on fields and relationships. And then you will be given this fields and relationship field, and you have to click on new, and choose the field you want to create. So once you click on new, it will show you the list of data types which are available in Salesforce. Already you know that. Like you create any other field which can be of text or number or pick list. Similarly, you create a lookup field also. Okay. So just wait, it is loading. You can refresh. Please be with me. So once you select that lookup field, you have to mention which object you are going to connect with that. And first, in today's session, we are going to see how to create a lookup relationship between two objects. In the next session, we will see by using same objects, or we can take another object also, another couple of objects to practice the master detail relationship, which is a strong relationship. And this lookup relationship is a weak relationship. Okay. So it is taking time. We'll do one thing. Again, I'll click here. I'll show you this one. Click on. So once you are on the tab, if you click on edit object, it will take you to that object manager page. Or give me 1 second. I'll connect with my mobile hotspot. Okay. Yes. Now it should come. Let us see. Yes. Now repeat the same step. Click on fields and relationships. Click on new, and then it will show you the list of fields available. You have to select this one, lookup relationship. Okay, can you see this one? Just read the description also, right? Creates a relationship that links this object to another object. Okay, the relationship field allows users to click on lookup icon to select a value from a pop-up list. The other object is the source of the values in the list. Got it? So once you select that lookup relationship field, we click on next, and you have to mention the parent object here. The parent object is department, right? Related to. We are creating the relationship field in the child object, which is employee. And here you have to mention, see, select the object to which this object is related. It is related to department. Next. Enter the label and name for the lookup field. I'll just give the same name. I don't want to change here. So description, you can say uh, lookup field, and then next. Now you can see here profile you have to choose. Click on visible. It will be available for all the profiles. Next, to add it on the layout. Next, finally, whatever the name that you want to display on the related list label, you can keep the same label. Just save. Done. You can see here, you can see the department, lookup with the department. It is created. Okay. Now go to the employees table now, employees object. Click any employee. Got it? Can you see here? Department. This is a lookup field. It means you are now associating the employee record. You are giving the department name to which this employee belongs to. Now what you have to do, click on this pencil icon, select the department. If you click here, it will show you the available departments. So CSC. From where this value is coming? It is coming from the parent object. Okay. Select CSC and then save. Now this employee, John Stewart, who is an assistant professor, belongs to CSC department. Okay. If you go to the departments object, open the record. Department name is CSC, right? And contact name something, HOD name I have not given, Rajesh something. Okay. Now this is the parent object. Now if you look at here, two tabs are there. Details tab always contain the data related to this particular object, and related tab contains the related object records or child record objects. What is the child of this department object? Right, employee is the child. You can see, click on the related. Now here you can see the employees. Currently one employee is available, one record is available here. Clear? So let me create one more record and we'll show you. I'll click on new. I will say Bhanu Prakash, employee, bhanu@gmail.com. Designation, you can see here multiple designations are there. Lecturer, I will choose the department here, CSC. Click on save. This is the lookup field. Okay. Now I'll go to the department. Click on the record CSC. Now tell me how many records it should contain in the related field, related object. Click on the related. See here, employees. Two employees are there. One is John Stewart, another one is Bhanu Prakash. In this way, we are associating two different objects. Now, if you look at this one, now I'll just simply refresh. Can you see here? An association has been created. Relationship. Once you put the mouse over there, you can see lookup relationship from employee to department. In this way, we can create an association between two different objects. Clear to everybody? So if you're not clear, you can listen to the recording one more time, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.